Shoot the ball. Good shot. That was a good follow through. That's the net. Go get the basketball. Show Grandpa how to shoot the basketball. That's how you shoot it. Very good. Try it again. Practice makes perfect. Oh, you did it. Tell Grandpa, this is how you make a basket. Very good. Can you shoot from way back there? Oh my gosh.